Hey guys, welcome to the new video. African Jojo here. Welcome to my new vlog. Please stick around, watch until the end, subscribe, like and share. Let me know what you think about this video. This video is about my niece's birthday. We celebrated it 30th May. So on 30th May, my sister's daughter was born. So we had to come and celebrate her birthday. So I'm showing you how we set tables for our Ugandan food.
This is chicken.
How we serve the food we eat. Though I didn't show you the preparations because I was late already. I was not there on time to show you the process. So enjoy the vlog. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you. Keep watching.
Okay, plus the eggplant, small ones. This is plantain in Irish.
Moses Ali is the person you think you can hear in Uganda.
Ashka wemba umurukuru kubanza.
Takosha. Wabiro jendo kwa kata.
Ashaka na gumkar correct. Yabo. College. Lekera weye kumala kaya jimalawo nagikutte dda nange nkwata kugenda savi
Ogenda kwesa ina kasoka manafuna shakati.
enyo wamaka chapati emwe ekumala
So guys, it was time for cutting the cake. That is the birthday girl in white dress. Yes, she was making 7 years. So that is the mom in black. Yeah, so the dad is there seated. He's still seated there. Okay. Yes, so that is our family. Others, they are behind the cameras. That is my brother in white. That is the old brother in white.
I'll put on your shoes.
So we enjoyed the day, and also the birthday girl enjoyed the day. Also, that is my niece, that one, my brother's daughter. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think about the video. How do you celebrate your kids' birthdays? And
Happy birthday
enjoy.
to you. Happy birthday, dear Julia. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? You look like an angel. You look like an angel. You look like an angel. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Okay, we go 7.
Breaking news, no joke on the swing. Interrupting your day like a wild dream. Belly blanco, 7 we can party with that flavor, San Rico de Puerto Rico. Uganda sis got the beats on blast. From the streets of Kampala real fast. Dripping with that rhythm, never miss. Worldwide sound can't resist. JoJo. Everybody moving to the groove. Hearts on fire, we got nothing to lose. From the Caribbean to Uganda now. DJ Benny Blanco, 7-8, dímelo mi gente, we all take a bow. Ooh. Turn it up, DJ, let's rock the block. City lights shining non-stop. Savvy with the mix, he's on the rise. Moving through the night, no surprise. Interrupt your evening with a dance. Leave your worries in a trance. You shall still worth feeling grand. You gotta see JoJo, World News.